Remember, the idea of launching the product is to get that sales. So whatever process we are following today is to help you generate that sales. So let's talk about reviews. So product reviews helps both in conversion and ranking of the product. As you see on this screen here, there are 2 product reviews. And when somebody reads through these product reviews, there is a immediate trust on the product itself. So some of the ways of getting product reviews are asking for reviews itself. We cannot ask for positive reviews, but we can always ask for an opinion or reviews. We can also send up follow-up emails through different tools. If you search for Amazon reviews tools, there are lots of tools you'll find in Google itself. Pick up any one that you feel comfortable working with, and that will help you follow up the customers without you having to go through individual orders and following up.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.